pay my dues, and gain the practical knowledge that it took to be a data scientist. I would sit there and I would look at news articles, I would look at studies, basically anything that had numbers in it, I would read. I would sit there and I would say, oh, that's an interesting study. Let me look if they make the raw data available. Let me look at the probabilities that are listed here. Anything that was numbers related, I was looking at it. I was looking at sports data, financial data, Bureau of Labor Statistics here in the US. The Federal Reserve in the US has a lot of data. Independent studies that were published. Really anything. Anything that was out there that had numbers, I would sit there and I would look at it. I would do my own, it became like a funnel, right? I would do a lot of exploratory data analysis. Let me look at some numbers. And some of them were interesting, some of them weren't. The ones that were interesting, okay, let me see what models or what ideas, what hypotheses can I put around this. That was kind of like my next funnel. And then the next level down was, okay, this looks cool. Let me write some code around this. Let me practice my R. Let me practice my Python. And then the bottom would be, hey, that was really fun. I think I got something here. Let me publish this out. So I had a blog and I would publish my work out. And that was a practice more of just taking my results to doing like the business translation of what those results meant. And also, I did some charting along the way and I would include the charts, things like that. So it just got me into the practice of kind of taking like the full cycle of my EDA, my ideation, my code, and everything else, and put it into like an end product, right? So that was something that I did for months and months on end. And again, I always stress this, that nobody was paying me for this. I was doing this all on my own dime. I wasn't billing any clients for those hours.